apples, orange, and Japanese melon. Breakfast! Pero nag-yum burger, hindi ay. So this is a pretentious breakfast. We also have chocolate. So many. And I have here my yogurt. Yeah. So baby, this is our breakfast. Naisig aso sa to breakfast. Lala! Japanese melon. This is my new favorite kind of apple. I didn't know nga na dahil klase-klaseng apple. I don't thought nga. Same na naglasa. This one is different. This is Rockpit apple. Or is it the brand? Basta, it's a fruit. Gikan daw sa New Zealand. So juicy. Tamil kayo. Like, wala ko katilaw ani nga Fuji apple. Like, lahi yung pagkatamis. Walay sourness. We have Longkan. Today is May 17, 2026. We're going to Davao. Kaya maghatod mi og sakyanan na i-renter sa MGHS. 8:30. Nga ipahatod between 8 to 8:30 and it's currently 7:03. Wala po yung panudlay. And I think nawala akong sudlay. Wala akong nagdalag sudlay. Oh well. Done na sa paghatod sa car. Baktas na mi. This is the first time ni baktas si John Paul. Charot. Pero bayad lang.
25.
Ah, mahal na. Wala, magtagak-tagak. Gusto ko nang magtagak lang. Wala man? Wala, di ka kaigo. Tara. Limestone. Summer saya sa isla.
Parang pesta sa taman.
Baho mo naman. Red, wala man. Focus siya ba? Hindi pa.